And the race is on. Cool reception. From the outside, rising up is Mutiara. Down on the inside is Banay. Banay Precious Metal is running in the middle. Mutiara, Banay Precious Metal. Cool reception, racing in port and running in fifth by some 3 lengths. Nose west, then comes Wakikoy and Lord Gold. Rounding the far turn, Precious Metal in the middle. Alongside Mutiara, Banay Cool Reception. Rounding the far turn, Precious Metal by a nose. And on the outside, Mutiara, Cool Reception, Banay nose west. Joining in, 5 runners fighting it out for the lead as they race the final corner. It's now Cool Reception, nose west on the further outside, and Precious Metal at the center. It's now nose west, Precious Metal once again by the left, and Cool Reception in the middle. Nose west, Cool Reception, Precious Metal, but still nose west, and finally nose west, Cool Reception, Precious Metal, Wakikoy, Banay, number 6, Mutiara, and Lord Gold.